So during normal research tests, usually will not push the voltage to that high. So it's mainly for the classes. And this area is recently used by students under Professor Akiva to do some evaluation of those samples from different distributors or manufacturers. So he may do some overcurrent stress or short circuit based time test here. So they will build their own drive circuit to send the signals and use this DC source. So it's from a manufacturer called Magna to generate proper DC for those and see those device degradation or even explode. And then this area is more for AC voltage partial discharge evaluation. So first, before I introduce, I'm not sure whether you are familiar with partial discharge. So as the word saying partial, so it's known as localized electric discharge, so it's not a breakdown. But it's also one important part of the reliability verification, similar to the overcurrent evaluation. Since if those partial discharge, so I will just say PD later. So those PD events happening continuously, it can still cause the insulation layer degradation or eventually influence the system lifetime. And here we use those setup to do the 60 Hz AC test. So this blue one is the source. It can generate a sinusoidal AC waveform up to 50 kilowatts. And with this high voltage level, we cannot use, or let me say, we can not easily find a proper probe to detect those applied voltage. So we use this guy is a capacitive voltage divider. So it can divide the applied voltage to a lower value, so it can be monitored by those equipments. We will also use high frequency current transducers or antennas detecting those PD events. And when we need to do a low pressure test, we may place a chamber on this bench. Since these days, actually after maybe 2020, we see more requirements on the device manufacturers to check the performance under, at flight altitude, maybe up to 50,000 feet. Since these days they are moving towards to more electrification for those aircrafts. That's a brief introduction of this half. So if you have questions, please let me know. So if not, we will move to the other side.